G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. You know, it's so easy to have a reversing accident, normally through miscalculation or poor visibility, but at Polaris, we've got a kit to make your reversing so easy. Introducing our Caravan Rear Vision Camera Kit. The EVO 5DC is a complete caravan rear vision system, but it's also suitable for camper trailers, horse floats and box trailers. The EVO 5DC is the perfect kit if you're looking for a caravan camera that'll give you the best of both worlds, reversing and rear vision. This kit comes with our 7-inch monitor, a dual camera for the rear of the caravan and a complete trailer cable kit, also known as the Dual Wazzer Kit. Now you're probably wondering what's the difference between our caravan reverse camera kits and our caravan rear vision kits, and the answer? This dual camera right here. The Polaris dual camera has 2 cameras built into the one unit. A 120-degree angle camera lens that points down so you can reverse your caravan into those tight spots. And a 45-degree angle lens that looks behind your caravan so you can see what's going on behind you when you're driving along. Oh, this comes in handy, especially in those built-up areas. You see, what happens with most reverse cameras is just like your mirrors, objects behind your caravan are actually closer than they appear to be. So it can be hard to make a calculated judgment with a wider angle lens if, say, you want to merge into another lane. And this is where the 45-degree angle lens comes in handy because it has a narrow angle. It gives you a better idea of what's going on behind your caravan. The EVO 5DC even comes with its own professional trailer kit, also known as the Dual Wazzer Kit. The beauty of the Dual Wazzer Kit is it allows you to mount the dual camera on the rear of your trailer. And you still have a nice, neat, professional looking cable running between the two vehicles. How simple is it? Even though you've got dual cameras, it's all connected with a single curly cord. Oh, and if you're looking for a smaller screen, we also offer this kit with a 5-inch monitor. And by the way, there's a special Motorhome Kit too. And you can also add a car camera for an extra cost to help you with hitching the trailer. If you're located in Sydney, Polaris even offer an installation service. So if you want more information, give them a call or go to their website, polarisgps.com.au.